Hey everybody, welcome, welcome to Hidden Horror. Thank you for spending this time with me. I appreciate that. Let's get started. So hey everybody, I'm back. I'm here to bring a quick update on what's going on with Carlethia Russell. She is the young woman from Alabama that faked her own kidnapping. You can call it a hoax. I don't like to bring this content about her, but I'm going to be fair and bring this update. She was supposed to go and have trial. It was set for March the 18th, and we noticed pretty quick that that was no longer the case, that now there is a hearing for a plea that's set for March 21st. So let's talk about it. Um, my first article, we're going to go over two articles just to cover it thoroughly. The first article is from WVTM13.com. It's dated March 9th, 2024. It's from the Associated Press and it's titled Plea Hearing Set for Carlethia Russell in Alleged Fake Abduction Case. A new plea hearing has been set for an Alabama woman accused of falsely telling police she was abducted last summer after stopping her car to check on a toddler wandering near a highway. Carly Russell's 2-day disappearance and her story of being abducted captivated the nation before police called her story a hoax. Russell was scheduled for trial on March 18th, but a court document filed Thursday shows a plea hearing is now set for March 21st. The document did not specify whether she would plead guilty. Russell's attorney appealed her case to circuit court after a municipal judge in an October ruling found Russell guilty of misdemeanor charges of false reporting to law enforcement and falsely reporting an incident. The ruling came after Russell's attorneys agreed to stipulate an appeal, a procedure in which a defendant acknowledges evidence against them, a guilty decision is entered, and the case moves up to circuit court. Russell disappeared on July 13th after calling 911 to report a toddler beside a stretch of Interstate 459 in the Birmingham suburb of Hoover. She returned home 2 days later and told police she had been abducted and forced to enter a vehicle. Police quickly cast doubt on Russell's story. Her attorney issued a statement through police acknowledging there was no kidnapping and that she never saw a toddler. In the statement, Russell apologized to law enforcement and the volunteers who searched for her. Hoover Police Chief Nick Durzis previously said he was frustrated that Russell was only being charged with 2 misdemeanors despite the panic and disruption she caused. He said the law did not allow for enhanced charges. So that's my first article. My second article is from usatoday.com. The writer is Mary Walrath Holdridge. It's dated March 8th, 2024. It's titled Appeal Canceled, Plea Hearing Set for Carly Russell, Woman Who Faked Her Own Abduction. So this is just a different viewpoint, but it covers a little bit more in detail. So that's why I'm bringing you two articles today. Russell originally vanished in July, prompting a panicked search. She later admitted to faking the whole thing and has been convicted of false reporting, something her attorney planned to fight. Carly Russell, the Alabama woman who sparked a nationwide hunt after faking her own disappearance, will not receive a state trial to appeal her conviction. Russell initially went missing on July 13th and returned home 2 days later on July 15th. After an ongoing police investigation, Russell admitted through her attorney on July 24th that she had never been abducted or missing, and the entire incident was a hoax. Russell, 26, pleaded not guilty to charges of false reporting to law enforcement authorities and falsely reporting an incident in October. She was later found guilty by Municipal Judge Brad Bishop, who recommended that Russell spend a year in jail and pay fines totaling nearly $20,000. Russell had a state trial to appeal the conviction set for March 18th, with her legal team saying jail time wasn't warranted. Well, we disagree. We strongly disagree. The public, the people, we disagree. We disagree. We disagree. But on Thursday, Jefferson County Circuit Judge David Carpenter ordered the state trial removed from the docket, reported AL.com. Instead, a plea hearing is now set for March 21st. Russell's attorney, Emory Anthony, did not respond to U.S. Today's request for comment Friday. So they're going back into more detail from different articles about the abduction and when she returned from home, and how the police, they wanted the details. They wanted to know, how did she get away with this? Where was she at? So I'm not going to read anything further. I just want you to know that the trial that was set for the appeal for March the 18th, it is no longer on the docket. The judge removed it according to AL.com, and now it's set for a plea on March 21st. What will that plea say? Will she receive the jail time? Will she receive the fine/penalties of the 20,000? We will see, right? She's had a lot of opportunity to make a change, to come forward to give the details of where she was at, what she was doing, who helped her. As of right now, this is more than 6 months later. That has not come out. It has not hit the news, but maybe it will come out March 21st. She's looking for a plea deal now. I know initially, when the case initially went to court in October of 2023, she did not accept whatever plea deal was offered. So she received the 1 year and $20,000 fine as a punishment. And she's now convicted. So I'm not sure how this will be handled on March 21st, but I will definitely be watching. I will definitely bring you an update, because as you already know, I have multiple videos in my playlist on YouTube about Carlethia Russell and how I feel that she is closely in line with the hoax that Justice Smollett did in the incident where he said that he was attacked, and it was shown, he was convicted, that it was a lie, that he planned it all, he bought props, he acted it out, he paid the people, and so on and so on. Please check out those videos. They're great. Some of them are funny. You might learn something, because I actually compare Justice Smollett and Carlethia Russell hoaxes and how they set them up, how they were structured, what their goals were. It's a great video to watch. So again, I will be back after March 21st to bring you an update on everything involving the plea, and hopefully this will wrap up her case and I will never have to talk about this woman again. I hope that she is regretful, that she makes a change, that she tries to do better in life, making better decisions, do something positive. Don't let it be that you did something really bad to get this attention, this negative publicity. This is going to destroy your future, embarrass your family. just humiliate you, your legacy, your future. You're very young. You can turn it around. You can make a change. Come back stronger. Come back better. Close this chapter. Start a new chapter. Make a statement. Be apologetic because, as I said in the beginning, there are real crime victims that need those resources. They need the police to be focused on them. They're wanting help. They're wanting aid. They're wanting resources from the public. And you took that away. And it's very, very simple. You took that away and you lied. And to this day, I do not feel that you have ever given a genuine apology. You may not even be sorry. However, that does not change all of the domino effect of what you caused. So I will be back after March 21st to give you that update. Thank you again for checking out this video. Please remember, do smart things, make good decisions, be savvy, be safe. All my friends, have a beautiful, wonderful Sunday evening. Bye, all my friends. Bye, everybody. Have a good night.